Hello friends. Today we are going to discuss about mycoplasma. Introduction to mycoplasma. Mycoplasmas are the smallest wall-less free-living prokaryotes belonging to the class Mollicutes. They were first discovered by Pasteur in 1843 when he was studying the organisms causing pleuropneumonia in catties. He named it pleuropneumonia-like organisms but failed to isolate them in pure cultures. They were first isolated in 1898 from the pleural fluid of cats affected by pleuropneumonia by two French bacteriologists, E. Nockher and E. R. Roux, and these organisms were named Mycoplasma by Noer in 1929. Habit and habitat of Mycoplasma. Mycoplasmas are parasitic as well as motile. More than 200 mycoplasma-like bodies are found associated with sewage, plants, animals, insects, humus, hot springs and other high-temperature environments. They have been found in phloem tissues of diseased plants. At least 11 serologically and biologically distinct mycoplasmas have been found in humans. Mycoplasma orale and Mycoplasma salivarium are found in almost every healthy adult. Mycoplasma hominis is present in large portion in sexually active adults. Diseases such as primary or typical pneumonia in the mouth, pharynx, genitourinary tract and tonsils in humans are caused by mycoplasma. General characters of mycoplasma. They are unicellular, smallest, non-motile and prokaryotic organisms that form scrambled egg-shaped colonies. They are pleomorphic, that is capable of changing their shape depending on the culture media. Furthermore, they can be rod-like, ring-like, globoid or filamentous. The filamentous are of uniform diameter and vary in length from 3 nm to 150 nm. Some mycoplasmas assume a predominantly spherical shape, 300 to 800 nm in diameter. They are ultrafilterable, that is, they can pass through bacteria-proof filters. They do not have rigid cell wall. These cells are demarcated by a soft triple-layered lipoproteinaceous membrane. It is a unit membrane about 10 nm thick. Ribosomes are found scattered in the peripheral region within the cytoplasm. These are 14 nm in diameter and resemble bacteria with sedimentation characteristics of both nucleoproteins and nucleic acids. Ribosomes are 72 type. Fine fibrous DNA is present inside the cytoplasm. It is a double-stranded helix. Mycoplasma generally grows more slowly than bacteria. They need sterols for their nutrition. They are generally resistant to antibiotics like penicillin, cephalosporin, vancomycin, etc., which act on the cell wall. Likewise, they are sensitive to tetracycline. They also die in 15 minutes at a temperature of 40 to 55 degrees Celsius. They do not form spores. Like other prokaryotes, they usually divide by binary fission. Classification of mycoplasmas. On the basis of nutritional requirement, mycoplasma is divided into the following three species. Mycoplasma. They need cholesterol for their development. They parasitize animals, including humans, causing damage to the mucous membranes and various joints of the body. Acoliplasma. They do not require cholesterol for their development. Likewise, they are also available as saprophytes in sewage water and soil. and as parasites in vertebrate and in plants. Thermoplasma. They also do not require cholesterol for their development. They are aerobic microorganisms showing good growth in acidic pH between 0.96 to 3 with an optimum temperature of 59 degrees Celsius. Morphology of Mycoplasma. Since mycoplasmas pass through many filters and grow on media without living tissue, they are considered intermediate between bacteria and viruses. Mycoplasmas are very small unicellular, usually non-motile prokaryotic organisms. They can grow into the typical scrambled egg-shaped colony forming cell-free media. They are highly pleomorphic, showing small cocoid bodies, ring forms and 5 filamentous forms which may be branched. Mycoplasma cells are surrounded by triple layered unit membrane without any rigid cell wall. They lack the ability to synthesize cell wall material. They are filterable through bacterial filters. Likewise, they are highly resistant to penicillin but inhibited by tetracycline. They are inhibited by specific antibodies. They need steroids for growth. Mycoplasma has no history of reversion or derivation from the bacterial parent. Mycoplasma cells contain both DNA and RNA. Reproduction is controversial. Probably the development of small cocoid structures within the fibrils called primary bodies, which are released by fibrillation or binary fission or budding. Cell shape of mycoplasma. Mycoplasmas vary in size. They can be whole, spherical, polymorphic, or irregularly filamentous. The fibers can be branched or non-branched. Cell structure of mycoplasma. The cells are small and the diameter of the cells is between 0.3 and 0.9 μm. They are prokaryotic and do not have a true nucleus. Each cell is covered by a single unit lipoprotein cytoplasmic membrane that is 7.5 to 10 μm thick. Cytoplasm contains genetic material and ribosomes. Both DNA and RNA acts as genetic material. This diagram defines various shapes of cells. This diagram involves mycoplasma structure of a cell. This diagram involves structure of a typical cell. It is usually half what is usually found in other prokaryotes. The amount of DNA is 4% and that of RNA is about 8%. Although gram-negative mycoplasma gradually becomes stained with prolonged exposure to dyes. Mycoplasmas are immobile but show slow gliding motion. Mycoplasma is sensitive to streptomycin, erythromycin and chloramphenicol but insensitive to penicillin. Reproduction in mycoplasma. Mycoplasma reproduces by budding or binary fission. These cells of mycoplasma divide unevenly into very tiny bodies called primary bodies or minimal reproductive units. These are formed inside larger bodies or mature cells. Their size varies from 330 nm to 450 nm. These bodies are the smallest independent organisms ever known. Transmission of mycoplasma. Mycoplasma-like organisms or phytoplasmas are typically present in the phloem of host plants and are transmitted from host to host by leaf hoppers, but some are transmitted by xylids, tree hoppers, plant hoppers, and some possibly by aphids. Some pathogens are known to infect various organs with their leaf hoppers or xylid vectors and multiply in their cells. Carriers cannot transmit phytoplasma immediately after feeding on an infected plant, but it begins to transmit after an incubation period of 10 to 45 days depending on temperature. Diseases caused by mycoplasma. Mycoplasma causes various serious diseases in plants, animals, including humans. These are all diseases of plants. These are human diseases and animal diseases.